So as far as I can see, it has completed. And we'll look at here. Let's see. Let's look at maintenance jobs. Okay, so maintenance job, this is it. Leak under the kitchen sink, causing water to pour at the floor. And then it's logged it under the correct property, the correct property address. Sarah Johnson is the name. It's pending assignment. But the key thing it's is extracted the urgency, it's detected urgency using AI as well. And then once that's done, where is the, yeah, it's assigned it to a vendor. So the vendor, these are the suppliers or the people that would do the work of fixing the issues. And the way it's matched the job to a vendor is when we look at the vendors table within the CRM, there are only two vendors that deal with urgent work. So it's matched the urgent inquiry to one of these vendors, and it does it at random. So it's not always the same person that will get it, provided the CRM logs the information that a vendor is available to do some of the work.